This is a lion. The lion is strong and brave. Lions live in groups called prides and roar loudly to talk to each other. Elephant. This is an elephant. The elephant is big and strong. Elephants have long trunks to grab food and drink water, and they never forget things. Tiger. This is a tiger. The tiger has orange and black stripes. Tigers are excellent hunters and love swimming in rivers. Deer. This is a deer. The deer likes to eat grass. Deer are very fast and can jump high to escape danger. Bear. This is a bear. The bear is big and furry. Bears love honey and can hibernate during winter to sleep for months. Fox. This is a fox. The fox is smart and quick. Foxes have sharp senses and are very good at hiding. Wolf. This is a wolf. The wolf lives with its family called a pack. Wolves howl to communicate with each other. Monkey. This is a monkey. The monkey loves to jump and play. Monkeys are very clever and can use their hands to grab things. Raccoon. This is a raccoon. The raccoon has a cute face. Raccoons wash their food with water and are very curious animals. Wild boar. This is a wild boar. The wild boar is strong. Wild boars have sharp tusks and love digging in the ground for food.